Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the latest Vivo Y200. This mid-range smartphone is packed with features that make it a solid contender in the budget segment for 2025. Starting with the display, the Vivo Y200 sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is top-notch for its category. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming, the responsiveness and clarity stand out. Under the hood, the Y200 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, offering a great balance of performance and efficiency. With up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, the phone handles multitasking with ease. The expanded RAM feature ensures a smoother experience, even with multiple apps running in the background. Gamers will appreciate the optimized cooling system that keeps temperatures in check during extended gaming sessions. In terms of the camera setup, the Vivo Y200 boasts a dual camera system featuring a 64MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization and a 2MP depth sensor. The primary lens captures detailed and sharp images even in low light conditions. The night mode enhancements further refine the quality. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera that delivers crisp and natural-looking shots, perfect for video calls and social media uploads. Battery life is another strong point. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Y200 easily lasts a full day with heavy usage. And when you need a quick top-up, the 44W fast charging ensures you're back to full power in no time. Software-wise, it runs on FuntOS OS based on Android 14, offering a clean and customizable user experience. As for the exterior, the Y200 flaunts a sleek and modern design with a slim profile. The gradient finish on the back gives it a premium look, and the in-display fingerprint sensor adds a touch of sophistication. Despite its large battery, the phone remains lightweight and easy to handle. In conclusion, the Vivo Y200 stands out as a feature-packed budget smartphone for 2025. With a smooth display, capable performance, impressive cameras, and solid battery life, it ticks all the right boxes for users looking for an all-around great device at an affordable price. Let me know what you think about the Y200 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smartphone reviews on FK iPhone. Here's your script for the Vivo Y200 2025. Let me know if you want any adjustments or additions.